good, what's good, what's good? I'm back again and I have a very, very special episode for you today. I am serving you old Hollywood housewife glamour because this one is a special one. I got something in the mail from the one and only Josh's Frogs. And I've ordered from them before. I've had gotten plants before and things like that. But today is a little specialer. I have a bio orb and it is bioactive. I have a millipede in there. I have a couple different, whatever you might call it, like species or something of isopods. And they're in there, they're thriving. But when I first got the bio orb, my intent was always to get poison dart frogs. Ah! And you know what? We got them. So in the mail, I got a little package from Josh's Frogs. And in here, in this little box, I have what we call the poison dart frogs. So with further ado, let's get these babies out of here. I am honestly jumping out of my freaking tights and this wig right now because, oh, and I gotta get a little knife to open this. I have wanted these puppies for a minute, but like I didn't wanna get them during winter time because it's really cold and in case the temperature drops and stuff like that, I didn't want to put them at risk of like freezing in like the mail or anything. So the temperature is finally warm enough to ship, and we got these babies. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so let's get into it. The box is open. The box is open. Okay, so first and foremost, we got a little paper. And what does it say? What does it say? Oh my god. Thanks for ordering. Stay classy. Hey! Thank you, Corey. Thank you, Corey from Josh's Frogs. A little receipt, letting us know what we got in here. Okay, so work. So first and foremost, I have these wingless fruit fries because you know, my baby's gotta eat. So what's good? Check out the product. There's little baby flies in there. These frogs gonna be eating good. But thankfully, in my bio orb, I already have the isopods. They have been breeding. There's little babies everywhere. There's also fungus gnats. You know, we all hate those, but they're gonna be eating those. So yes, thankfully, they're gonna be eating good. So this is just a little paper. Don't care, don't need it. Oh yeah, okay. So before we get there, I also ordered some, so this is just food for the feeders. I also ordered some springtails as well that I'm gonna be releasing into the bio orb. So there's just a little food for them to munch on. And just in case you wanna order, here is the packaging. Check it out. Check it out, what's good? Okay guys, so here we have it. Ah! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I hope they're alive. That's my only worry. Okay. Y'all, the frogs didn't come in here. Charles! This wasn't the frog box, fuck. What? This wasn't the frog box. I did all this for the fucking water dish.
Where the fuck are the frogs?
I don't know. Wait, where the fuck are the frogs? So sorry for the disappointment. I'm disappointed. I honestly thought I was gonna have the frogs for this video, but they are coming soon. So right when they arrive, I'll be updating you guys and that video will be posted and ready to go. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss that video when it comes out, do you? You don't. So what you want to do is hit that notification bell, ding ding, so you can be notified when I release a new video. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow. And hit me up on that Instagram for daily updates on the mug, on the plants, on the bugs, and on the frogs that are coming very soon. So, I will see y'all soon. Missleidy, out.